Okay, so Duramax fan clutch hack. The clutch is totally burned out. Like, my air conditioning does not cool, and it's just barely not overheating. See all the oil coming out of it? So this fan clutch is totally burned up. So I have some little metal tabs bolted down that are the exact length there and there. And then I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna weld these tabs to the nut where it goes on to the water pump. And then we're gonna run the truck today and see how well she does. See if the AC stays nice and cold and the engine stays nice and cold. And before anybody starts freaking out, this is a temporary deal, needed to last about a week because I do have a severe duty fan clutch ordered, but it won't be here till later this week. But I need to go pick up some stuff with a trailer today, so we're doing a quick fix here. So we're gonna run an old school full locked up fan straight to the water pump. It'll be great. Okay, tabs are welded. I don't think they'll be going anywhere. My camera won't focus very well. Okay, well, I'm gonna go pull the Duramax up to the shop here and install this thing and fire it up and see how she goes. Okay, fan is installed. Went on nice and smooth. Got the shroud on here. So we'll fire it up here. And I need to recharge my AC system because it blew a seal. We're moving some serious air now. Okay, now I just need to replace the seal here that blew out on me, and give her a test drive and see how nice and cold the AC will be and the engine temperature will be. But it's definitely sucking some serious air through the cooling stack now. Okay, driving test with the welded up fan clutch. I'm sure the camera can hear. And let me just get through this intersection and I'll make the turbo go. Yeah, it's pretty loud. The fan is like a hurricane. I'll get a clip here on my neighborhood street with the windows down. So this is my 484,236 mile, one owner LLY Duramax. Looks pretty good. The windshield was new when I got it, then a tree hit it. I did not hit the tree hit me. But it's pretty good for what it is. Both front passenger and driver seats are a little ugly, but the interior is mint. It has a new headliner, all sorts of good stuff. Check engine light is for communication with the FICM because the fuse box got messed up, so I put a fuse box from a Suburban in here and it powers the FICM in a different way. So the ECM thinks that the FICM is not working right now, but it obviously is. So, yeah. she's loud. Literally sounds like a hurricane in the front of the truck. Pretty ridiculous. But so far, the engine temperature has been solid, like 90 to 200 degrees. Hang on, we got people on the side of the road. Oh, come on, lady. God damn. Yeah, get run over. Okay. So, AC. The AC is a little bit colder now with some good airflow through the condenser. But I think the compressor's going bad, because the refrigerant pressure is the same on the high and low side. They're both like 65, so, and the compressor never shuts off, it's just always running. So I think the compressor is probably pretty worn out. It's probably the original one too. I wouldn't be surprised. Like literally everything on this truck is still original under the hood. It's not tuned, it's all stock turbo. The only thing it has is a 4-inch exhaust straight pipe and one of those S&B mouthpieces, but it's the cheap knockoff one off of Amazon. Stock airbox, like everything is stock. I put a set of injectors in it. Like this truck is pretty mint. Interior is, you know, driver and passenger seat are torn. And the dash is like, the paint is peeling off of it. So, well, here, let me roll my window down. Pretty ridiculous. My fan clutch came in though, so I'll finish up the YouTube video with the new clutch fan. Okay, old fan clutch out. Here's our new one. It's a severe duty, made in Korea. The brand is DAW, if I remember right, or O. And it's a G2843K model, advertised as a severe duty for Duramax. And here's the old one. I just need to cut these elbow tabs right here. That way I can take the fan off, swap it onto the other clutch. Well, my camera won't focus. Okay, quick comparison. New one is a bigger diameter than the old one. And the fins are taller on this one. But this one is like a 1/4 inch longer. So this one's a 1/4 inch shorter. Well, maybe more like an 1/8. It's probably not even a 1/4, honestly. It's probably pretty slim. Like an 1/8 or 5/16. Okay, get this bolted up.